and I shot this picture in my dining room. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. What's up? I hope you all are doing great. If you're watching me for the first time, hello, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I really want to hit 100k by the end of this year, and for that I will need your help. What you have to do is just hit the red subscribe button. With that, also make sure to hit the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. So last year I did a video on my YouTube channel where I recreated 4 different Bollywood celebrities pictures, and you guys seem to really enjoy that video. It got a decent amount of views and a lot of people wanted a part 2 of that video. So this video is for you all, and actually, you know what, it is kind of fun when I'm trying to recreate anyone's picture. It's challenging, but it's really fun at the same time. So this time as well, I have recreated 4 Bollywood celebrities pictures, and I got all these pictures on their Instagram profiles. And to recreate these beautiful, amazing pictures, I have worked with Prashant Kandari, the same photographer whom I worked with in the last video, and the pictures were so stunning. I still love them, so he had to be in this video. I will add his Instagram profile on the screen. Make sure to check out his profile, follow him because he's definitely worth it. Also, on a side note, today I'm not wearing any makeup, which I know it's very shocking. Usually whenever I'm doing these talking videos, I wear makeup, but this time I am breaking out a lot on this area of my face. So I went to the dermatologist yesterday. उन्होंने थोड़ी सी दवाइयाँ दी हैं, and he suggested that I should stay away from makeup for some time जब तक ये ठीक नहीं हो जाता. I hope you guys understand because this really needs to heal up ASAP. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my favorite picture, and this is a beautiful picture that I got from Tara Sutaya's Instagram page, and she looks absolutely stunning, you guys. I mean, I am jealous sometimes because how can someone be so perfect? I went for this picture especially because it's simple, it's not very complicated. I had the exact backdrop. I clicked this picture in my room itself, and it's a very simple shot. Overall, the picture is very pretty. So this is what I came up with. So the next picture is of Tapsi. I love her. She's so talented. And it is a very simple shot. हमें लगा था that ये तो 2-3 shots में हो जाएगा, but honestly, you know what? It took us some time because the angle is a bit weird. We had to figure out the exact angle. Plus, I had a very similar suit like hers. The makeup is very simple. मेरे पास भी same color का sofa है, so I thought it would be great if I could recreate this. It took us some time, but I think the picture came out really nice. So the next picture is of Bhumi. I was scrolling through her Instagram profile and I couldn't really find some good pictures that I could recreate easily. So I started searching on Google and I found this picture, and I was like blown away how sexy she looks. I had a similar sweater like hers, so this is one of the reasons why I chose this particular picture to recreate. This picture was taken in my dining room. It was quick. And yeah, I really like the picture, how it turned out, and this is what I came up with. And for the last picture, I recreated Mahira Khan's beautiful picture. Oh god. And the minute I saw this, I was like, Prashant, ye shot to karna hi hai. It is very pretty. Like, look at her. She looks like a princess. I know I'm saying beautiful, pretty, sexy for all the pictures, but I cannot do anything. All the pictures are so nice and unique in their own way. This shot looks very simple, but again, the angle was an issue, and we weren't able to find a good angle for this one. Plus, I don't have a floor like this. मैंने लिटरली अपना दुपट्टा ज़मीन पे बिछाया था एंड उसके ऊपर मैं लेटी हुई थी. I expected this picture to turn out really pretty, but unfortunately वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही सुंदर है एंड मैं उसके लेवल की डेफिनेटली नहीं हो सकती. सो वी डेफिनेटली ट्राइड एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई केम अप विथ. So these were the 4 pictures that I recreated for the celebrity recreation part 2. I thoroughly enjoyed this video, and also let me know in the comments down below how you will rank all the pictures out of 10, and also which picture was your favorite. I would love to know that. And that's it for today's video, you guys. Let me know if you want me to do a part 3, because I would be more than happy to do that. It's so much fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share this with your friends and family, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.